Hello, I'm Kristina.
Hi, I'm Diana.
We're from Bulgaria,
We live in the capital city, Sofia.
and today we are your travel guides.
We are going to explore and show you one day in the city.
Okay, let's go.
The history of the city starts 6,000 years ago, and behind me you could see the Roman remains of the ancient complex called Serdica that was found 20 years ago.
Hey, this is our first stop, the biggest symbol of the city, the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral.
Our next stop is the Russian church in Sofia. It's also known as Saint Nicolaus, the Miracle Maker Church, because there is a crypt under the church, and people believe that if they write down their wishes, desires on a piece of paper and leave it in the church, very soon they will come true. During our tour, very accidentally, we ended up on an event with traditional Bulgarian music and dances. You're going to get an idea of traditional Bulgarian customs, dances and clothes. Definitely, we recommend you to come to the Vitosha Boulevard. It's a pedestrian zone full with shops, bars.
It was a pleasure to show you Sofia. See you next time. Bye.
See you soon!
See you.